foul. These nigga bitch, you nigga cow. Pop me a perk, knew that it worked. I been fucking it hoe for hours, man. I told y'all nigga that this my year, little nigga. The game is mine. None of these rap.
He thought we were the snipers gang. The money that I got, your money not the same. When we step rapping, smoking nigga, choo trucks.
Alright, so what's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? I'm back. I'm finna go on this little POV drive or whatnot. Gotta run some errands and stuff like that. Finna go get some food and gotta go to Walmart for some stuff. Let me put this seatbelt on. Everybody that got one of these cars, I already know that seatbelt thing be acting totally stupid. So, yeah, man. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get to the Walmart or whatnot. Alright, so boom. Made it to Walmart or whatnot. I came here to get what I need. So y'all don't ever be sitting in the car talking to yourself. That's just me. I came to get, I came to get some shrimp. My mom planning on cooking some Alfredo today. I gotta get some shrimp. What else I can't have? I can't have something else. Shoot. Oh, and I came here to get a mouse for my MacBook. It's way easier editing from a mouse than using that little pad on the MacBook. That little pad retarded. But anyways, yeah, let me go ahead and grab that real quick. I'll be back, niggas. Alright, yeah, I'm back out of Walmart, you know. I couldn't record while I was in there, but I ain't used to that yet. You know, first day starting out with the YouTube stuff. Y'all probably wondering why I got this old beanie on. It ain't even cold outside. I just need a haircut. But boom, let me go ahead and show y'all what I got. So yeah, let me show y'all what I had get. Got the shrimp and whatnot. So I picked up this mouse. It was the only mouse that they had. Say it's compatible for the Macs. So hopefully that thing there will work, you know. I probably could have went on Amazon and got this a lot cheaper, but it is what it is. I also picked up a little travel toothbrush. As I go to get my braces changed tomorrow. And I don't have a travel toothbrush. And usually when I get off work, I'm probably gonna get my braces changed. So, I like to brush my teeth before I go into the dentist office or whatnot. But yeah, I got the big, electric one at home. So I figured I just need a travel toothbrush. So when I got appointments and stuff like that. Yeah, but yeah, that's really it. I thought I wanted some Starbucks, but I don't. I've had to go to Bojangles and get me some food real quick. I guess I'll see y'all when I get in the Bojangles line or whatnot. Probably after I get out of there. I don't know yet. We're gonna see. Probably give y'all a POV drive home, what the car sound like. So yeah. I'm gonna be doing a car channel, I think. See what best suits me. I guess I can give y'all a story time of how I bought my car. Y'all wanna hear that? Let me know. I'm gonna do it anyway, so it don't matter what y'all think, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to Bojangles. See y'all in a bit, man. Alright, I'm back. I got my food and whatnot. See if they got everything right in here. Oh yeah. Oh yes, sir. Right, they got the honey mustard. Hey, let me know what y'all be getting from Bojangles, or if y'all ever had Bojangles. But let's get this POV started. I was gonna tell y'all my story of buying the car, but I don't feel like all that right now. So we're just gonna give y'all some POVs or whatnot. It's kind of weird recording with this camera in my head and driving. But yeah, you finna see traffic a little bad. Traffic ain't that bad. I ain't about to risk pulling out. I ain't waiting all day. I'm finna. Those of you who don't know, I got a 2021 Dodge Charger Daytona. It ain't a 392 version, it's the 5.7, it's not the 6.4. I mean, I'm content with it. A lot of people ask me why I didn't get the 6.4. One of the biggest reasons is gas wise. It's not that I can't afford it, I just work. I gotta drive 25 miles every day. That's just one way, every day one way, so it's really 50 miles and together to go to work. So I'll stick with the 5.7. I'm cool with it, you know, it make noise. It sound alright. Everything in here is still stock. I think my next mod is a mid-muffler delete. I was thinking about wrapping the hood all black, but I don't know. Comment what y'all think. Police right there. Traffic going pretty smoothly. I can't talk smoothly. Yeah, the Wrangle right there. Something slight. Let's see if we can catch some more cars. Let me tell y'all a little bit about myself, I guess. Never mind, I'm not doing it. Cut that out. I usually don't stop these, but light change. What's that? That's another RT Challenger. I don't know I'm gonna figure out how to make these POVs interesting. Once I get the hang of it a little bit. That's my first one, y'all. So y'all bear with me. Back to the house. I guess I'll give y'all what I like and what I don't like. I'll put that in a separate video. My next video is gonna be what I like and what I don't like about the car. So y'all stay tuned for that. So in this channel, I'm gonna be really doing a lot of POVs, vlogs, you know, car content, stuff like that. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about myself. So I'm 21, currently live in South Carolina. I got a retail job, nothing too crazy. Yeah, I just bought this car maybe like 2 months ago. I always wanted a Charger. I could have got a Scat, but gas wise I just stick to the 5.7. Like, this hard. It's like the first day of school. That every teacher asks you to stand up, say a little bit about yourself. It's me, but I don't know what to tell y'all. I don't want to tell y'all too much. You know, I don't like people being in my business, you feel me? I got braces. So yeah, you know, we will be doing a lot of car content. You know, a lot of drives, a lot of POVs. I'm gonna try to hit up a bunch of colleges, HBCUs, just to see reactions. You know, this car do get a lot of stairs. What's that? That's a V6. That's a Scat. I ain't a Scat. Oh. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to start this YouTube out. See where it go. You know. Hopefully y'all subscribe, tag along with me, cause it's up. It's up all 2023. I feel like 2023 gonna be everybody year. Like, y'all just gotta stay focused. Stay focused. Stick. Probably need to pick like 3 goals. You know, set a realistic. You know, not accomplish, but you know, set 3 realistic goals that you absolutely want to accomplish this year in 2023, and stick to them. You know, grind hard. Don't give up. Every dog has their day. I mean, and everybody got a sad story. So, something pop up, don't let it get to you. You know, just keep grinding. But, let me text Twitter. Anyways, man, I need to find out what I'm gonna call this channel. I don't got a name for it yet, but we gonna find one. Like I said, my car's still stopped, you know. There ain't nothing special to it. It's stock 5.7 Daytona Charger. I mean, a lot of people say it's slow, but you know, it's good enough for me. I can still get up pretty quick. I've got good brakes. This car could probably think I'm the police, speeding up on them like that. I hate this too. Even though I know that's an ambulance right there, bro. Do not ride side by side next to the car that's in the slow lane, bro. Get up out of there. Get up out of there quick. Like, get out my way, little shawty. Move. Bruh. Biggest pet peeve, bro. Biggest pet peeve. Move this fucking Honda out the way. I don't even mean to curse. Move this Honda out the way, man. Bro, buddy know what he doing, bro. He gonna speed back up. Alright, move, bro. Move. There ain't nobody moving. The niggas probably think I'm the police. Oh, about time, man. Please turn. God dang. Kicking up all them rocks on my damn car. Anyways, that's it for the vlog. Oh, I'm gonna start a new thing. If you got a car channel and you in the vlog, you gotta hit it. You know, you gotta hit that thing. You gotta hit that thing when you know ending the thing. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna hit it and we gonna be out. Let me get above this little hill real quick first. Let me get above this hill real quick first. Gotta make sure that ain't the police or nothing. Yeah, and I do live in the country, man. That's a train track right there, you know, farmland, stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, when you in the video, you gotta hit it, man. You gotta